Emergency stopping for that light. Not paying attention.
Every time I do emergency brake, I have to hold my passenger before they go flying. Because it was
Caught you by surprise. Well, here's my wife. She insists on driving. I drive, but don't she insist. Break my top. She want to drive. And it's a rainy day, but I have to go to Home Depot because I need to get some parts for working tomorrow. And so we are doing that.
Andito na kami sa paboritong tindahan ni Tammy, Home Depot. At turo ng turo sa mga gusto niya. Loka ako talaga mga loves kasi ito yung pinaka-paborito niyang tindahan at ito yung pinaka-ayaw ko na tindahan. Ang kailangan lang talaga niya ditong bilhin is yung screw or something, lug screw something, basta yun. Ang dami niyang tinuturo guys. That's cute.
This would dig out the ground for
planting. Yeah. Ala, 350?
Yeah, but you know what? Good for digging out the ground.
No, but we're not doing
big giant.
Halos gusto na niya lahat dito. Yung mga tools, yung mga lagayan ng tools, mga screws, grabe na siya, mga batteries. Diba? Kailangan talaga niyang tignan at saka kailangan ituro kasi gustong-gusto niya yung mga ganito. At kung puntahan niyo yung bahay namin, ang daming tools at lagayan ng tools. Grabe si Mister. So kaya maluka ako guys kapag bibili na ito ng mga tools kasi nagdubli. Yun na kasi yung kaligayahan talaga niya. Kahit alam na natin na hindi na niya nagagamit, pero gustong-gusto niya yung bumili pa ng marami. So ito yung talagang kailangan at pinunta namin dito, no? Dahil sa yan, dahil kailangan niya sa trabaho. Kakapagod kaya maghintay sa mga ganito, no? Yung parang wala kang interes sa mga ganito. At meron ako nakita ditong lansang. Ang haba, pati mga lansang ang haba. Katulad ng mga, alam na. Bitaw, no? Nakita ko lang ito talaga, no? Mahahabaan. Iwan ko kung para saan ito. At ito ay paalis na kami kasi walang nakita. Pero, pagdating dito, meron siyang hinablog. This is not the plan. No, it's not the plan.
Find me the code.
Ako stupid eh. Oh my goodness. Like, what is wrong with you? We have a lot of batteries.
Yeah.
Tignan nyo. Hindi sa plano guys. O tignan nyo. No, I don't. I always charge the battery. You just don't listen.
No, but I look at that.
$100. Naloka ako. Wala sa plano. Hinalbot niya kasi gusto niya. Iwan ko na lang. Ganyan talaga yan guys. Sino bang hindi maglalagot niyan? Oy. So andito na kami sa ibang tindahan, no, sa Lowe's. So napunta kami dito. Hopefully meron sila kasi don't even. Ay na ako. Nako, enough. Oh my goodness. Can't wait. He's smoking talaga.
I figured maybe you were outside. I look everywhere, but you weren't.
So you've been looking for
Really?
me?
You got the window lock on?
No, I didn't.
Press the window lock button.
Pangatlong tindahan na ito mga loves at ito ang malayo. So yun, ako yung driver niya ngayong araw. Hi guys! So ngayon, my husband is dragging me all over the place. So after Home Depot, we went to Lowe's. After Lowe's, we went to the other thing, hardware store. And now we are going to grocery store. And he's playing with his thing. And the truck is blocking us.
Look at the angle on that.
Hello, let that guy go. So guys, my husband is going to the grocery again. So the thing is, I wanna behave myself. So mag-stay lang ako sa sasakyan and then mag-edit habang he is doing his grocery for his food. So he like doing his sandwich. So that's the only food that makes him happy. Macaroni salad, sandwich, Spanish rice. You never do Spanish rice.
I need to make Spanish rice. It's been a long time.
I know you're gonna do it again once I mention it.
No, I thought about it the other week.
You're right.
I did it.
You're right.
Just too much work. It's just, another day.
Oh wow. Wow, very good ang akong bana. Very good. Oh, dito siya mag-ano. Mas mabuti pa talagang mag-grocery si Mr. and then hindi ako sasama. Behave lang ako. Mas konti yung bibilhin niya. I mean, hindi man palaging ganito. Pero ngayon, konti lang yung binili niya. And so, kasi kapag mag-ratatat ako guys, yung normal na ratatat ko ba? Yung normal na ano siya. Parang mas gusto niyang bumili ng marami dahil marami akong sinasabi. Aray!
What?
That hurts me.
Sorry,
That thing, the zipper hurts. Thanks for hurting me. That's the first time. Thank you, love boy. It's yummy. It's very good. It does hurt my eyes.
I'm sorry, I was just throwing my jacket in the back.
What did you bought?
I bought 3 onions, 2 packs of tomatoes, 2 things of arugula, cold cuts, and the bread.
That's it?
Oh, and 1 thing of dog bones. Oh, those dental bones. Just look at Roxy's teeth. She really needs those dental bones. I don't even know if they help, but. And that was it. Still $72.
Serious? Oh, the cold cut itself.
Yeah,
They're very pricey.
They don't have the roast beef deal this week. They had a bologna deal. I didn't get it.
They're very pricey.
That was cheap, $6 for the bologna and cheese, but that's not what I want.
Wow, they're very expensive.
To get the roast beef and cheese today, for 1 pack of cheese with 1 pack of roast beef, it was $20 something dollars. When they have the packaged up deal, it's $14.
With the
Because
roast beef?
you just pay for the roast beef and you get the cheese for free.
Oh, okay. Yung kapitbahay namin nagbigay ng binigyan nila kami ng cherries. O galing talaga ito sa puno. At ang sarap pa naman ng nila. Ang sarap ng cherries nila ba? So, yun. Kakain tayo nito. Masarap ito kasi galing sa puno talaga. At saka organic kasi walang spray. Walang spray. So, talagang siya. Look. Ang sarap guys. Ito yung kinakain ko kapag galing sa kanila. Kinakain ko kapag sa store. Sobra picky ako kasi talagang ang daming ito talaga presko na presko. Ang sarap guys, grabe. Ang sarap. Ang sarap Ang dami nilang puno sa likuran, ang lalaki. Wala, it's bagyo na. Is window upstairs open?
Probably.
Oh, goodness. Ay, nako. Gee. Tignan niyo tong asawa ko, guys. Kaluka. Hey. Alam niyang bagbagyo. Hala. Rinig na rinig ko. Ay, close. Ay, thank goodness, close. Close. My God, nagbagyo na sa labas. Kusog, ang lakas ng ulang. Hala, ang lakas ng ulang, grabe. Oh my God, tara. Aray. Ay, yung paa ko, ito arthritis ko. Ning tukar ba? Umandar. Ning tukar, umandar, simla. Aray, ginoo ko. I've been folding my knee since this afternoon. Itong asawa kong gustong-gusto talaga itong mga ganito. Mga ganito ba? Hala. Ang lakas ng hangin, Han. Han. You should come here, love. Han. It's typhoon. Come on. Come on in. Love. Alam niyo guys, pinagtawanan lang ako ng asawa ko. Nag-thunderstorm na sa labas. Sabi ko, alam mo ba, ang daming namamatay sa Pilipinas dahil yung kidlat, yung mga tao na ganon-ganon cellphone. Yun yung naano kabalitaan ko eh. Sus, pinagtawanan lang ako guys. Gustong gusto talaga niyo yung kidlat at saka yung dalugdog. 2 months ago, ang dami kong nabalitaan na ano, na namamatay yung na ano ng kidlat. At saka mayroong video nakita ko rin.